For the complex numbers, z, which is 2 plus 4j, and w, which is 4 minus 3j, we want to find the real part of z. The real part of z is going to be the part that doesn't involve j. We have a real part and an imaginary part. We only want the real part, so the real part of z is 2. The imaginary part of w is next. W is 4 minus 3j. We have a real part and an imaginary part. The imaginary part is just the coefficient. We don't involve the j, it's just the minus 3. Here we're going to look at z star, which is the conjugate of z. We mentioned conjugates in the last example on solving quadratics. If z is a plus ib, where here I've slipped into old habits and used I instead of j, then z star is a minus ib. So we change the sign on the imaginary part. Here we have that z is 2 plus 4j, and therefore z star is 2 minus 4j. We now want the real part of z star minus w star. Let's start by considering z star minus w star. Z star is the conjugate of z, which we found to be 2 minus 4j. We need to take away from this the conjugate of w. W is 4 minus 3j. Change the sign on the imaginary part, and the conjugate is 4 plus 3j. Taking away the brackets, we have 2 minus 4j minus 4 minus 3j, so we have minus 2 minus 7j. We want the real part of this number, so the real part of z star minus w star is equal to minus 2.